from this point. Now two arcs are given, are drawn. Then you will have to draw a diagonal. Here, this important property is this diagonal. You draw a diagonal straight horizontal because this length is known. You will draw this diagonal, and then what will you do? These arcs are there. You don't know the sides right now. These arcs are there. You will put the compass on the other side of the diagonal, and again cut those arcs. And wherever they get cut, then you will have the kite. See this, from point A, what we will do is we will draw one arc of say 5 centimeter. Then from same point we will draw another arc of say 10 centimeter. Then we will draw a horizontal diagonal. Okay. Now what we will do on the other end of the diagonal, because we know the length of the diagonal, right? Because what is given? Included diagonal is given. So I will put the compass on the other end now. Take the same arc as this one, and then cut this arc. Means like this, right? Over here I will cut, and then take the same arc as this and again cut it from here. And now I got the point. Just join those points. You got the kite. Arrange the steps of construction while constructing a quadrilateral ABCD given AB equals to 5.3, AD equals to 2.9, angle A 74, angle B 95, angle C 85. First thing, quadrilateral. So 5 elements are given. Okay. Then a quadrilateral can be constructed. We can think further. Means I can't say immediately it can be constructed, but we can think further. Okay. Let's start. Basic is baseline AB. Okay. Draw AB equals to 5.3. So start with 3. Now we will have to find the angle at A and angle at B, or any arc or something like that. So what is given? At B, draw angle ZBA 95 degrees, so that ZB intersects YD at C. Now do you know YD? No, you don't know anything. So leave this. At A, draw angle XAB equals to 70. Yeah, this can be done. XAB. Okay. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.